One day, a man looked out his window. The glass was dirty, so he said, "The world seems dark." Then, someone cleaned the window. Suddenly, everything changed. The world wasn't dark, his window was. Now think about this. How often do you judge reality through a dirty window and not even know you exist? Modern science says something embarrassing. You don't see reality as it really is. What you see is a representation, a version of the world created by your brain. Light enters your eyes, signals travel, and your brain builds a picture. Best guess. Then what you experience is not raw reality, it's an interpretation. Think about this. Two people, the same situation. One of them is hurt, the other feels nothing. What changed? Not the world, the story. 2,500 years ago, Buddhist philosophy explained this in depth. Your experience is built up through layers: sensation, cognition, mental formation, and endless thought. You don't see something, you label it, judge it, respond to it. Then, you create a story. He disrespected me. I'm not good enough. This shouldn't have happened. But those are not facts. They are interpretations. Here's the truth. You don't suffer because of reality. You suffer because of the story, because your mind creates it. Even science shows your brain predicts reality before you experience it. So you don't just see the world, you compare it to your expectations. When it doesn't fit, you suffer. So ask yourself, what are you really seeing? Reality? Or is it your filter? Because maybe the problem isn't the world, it's the window. If you learn to see clearly, even for a moment, you will realize the world hasn't changed. You did. Take off your colored glasses and see the world. Have a good day.